Hindi namin sinasabi na hindi natin kailangan ng modernization. Kailangan natin. Because we need to modernize 10 years ago or 20 years ago.
20 years
we
ago.
needed to modernize already. And now it is at hand. Hindi namin sinasabing huwag.
Pero wag lang 'yun.
Pero yung kasing hardware na luluma, nasisira. Yung meron kang likas na yaman, di ba? Yung sabi ko, we are rich in human resource. Yun yung i-train natin.
Yes.
So that, with or without this hardware, we are still able to depend our country on land. Eh di pumasok ka dito. Sabi nga ni Captain Nieves, yung silent killer na taga-Tacloban tuwing gabi, pumapatay siya ng hapon. Ganun din ang gawin natin. Sige, pumunta kayo dito. Let us adopt a national security policy na ano ba ang gagawin natin in case na tayo ay nilusob. Hindi naman tayo talaga tatagal. Yung conventional, hindi tayo tatagal.
Correct.
So, after the conventional, what do we do? Yun yung dapat paghandaan natin. And if our citizen have been trained and ready, yun na yung sinasabi ni Lee Kuan Yew na actually, sir, sa atin nakuha yun. Sa atin ang galing yun kay Presidente Marcos, Ferdinand Marcos.
Senior.
Yun ang binyos niya, yung senior, yun yung vision niya, is to make every Filipino a citizen soldier na adapt sa 1987 Constitution, yung konsepto na everyone. Because in every democratic country, every citizen must be a soldier. So, pag lahat tayo citizen, you have to reckon with the citizenry. And kung trend yan, katulad nung nangyari sa Vietnam, sir, di ba? Hindi mo alam, nasa ilalim pala yung kanilang tunnel. They prepared for it. And so must we. We should prepare for it. When they come, let them come. We cannot stop them. Laki nila eh. But let us make their life miserable once they're here.